Okay, a lot of you said, Eva mom, you too like food. Eva mom, you too chop. Eva mom, you like better food. All these questions, now Eva mom they answer. Abi? So all these questions, you threw it at me. I will answer that perfectly. Okay. Number one, Eva mom, you too chop. Yes, so I too chop. Yes, I eat. You don't you eat? I want to see the question. Yes, you eat too. Eva mom, you too like better food. Yes, so I love delicious and tasty foods. Let me ask you, don't you love delicious meals? I hope you do too. And Eva mom, you too chop. Yes, Eva mom, I too chop. I know they deny am. I know they lie. I know they say I know they chop. I too chop. But I eat when it's necessary. So don't you eat? You eat. I like to take my swallows in the daytime. Evening, there's nothing like swallow in my house. Except when hubby is around, he eats the swallow. But as for Eva mom and the kids, nothing like swallow in the night. So when you see me balance, they chop the swallow. Now there, it enter my medulla oblongata. So tell me, who no like food? Who no like food? Every one of us loves food. Because if you don't like food, why are you living? Because adults, apart from kids eat to live and grow because there's need food to grow. Adults, now we are not growing anymore. Why do we eat food? I ask this question. Why do we eat food? Since CB say now only Eva mom to chop. You know they chop. Okay, let me tell you why Eva mom they chop. My sister, my brother, I they chop because I want to live. Adults, adults, we eat to live. We don't eat to grow because we are growing. I am not eating because I want to grow. I am eating to live and watch these children grow. And that is exactly what you are doing. So, Eva mom, you too chop. Eva mom, you too like better food. Eva mom, you too decide. All of our questions. Again, anyone again you want to talk. Eva mom ready to answer you. That is Eva mom for you. I too chop. I too like food. I too like better thing. I too like better food. I too like delicious soup. You see that soup? I love thick, delicious soup. So my friends will say, Eva mom, the way you say the color be the board, you know you never see the main color be bold, the video they call. So make you chill. You will see that video on Sunday. Make sure you don't miss out that video on Sunday. You will see the real one. So darling, this is all fun for you. Yes, but that is made for you. So I like food. I chop food. So I eat food. I love food because I eat to live. I don't eat anymore to grow. No matter how much life may run, you will always love me. Hi guys, welcome back to Eva Mom Gist TV Gisting Time. So today we are gisting, and what are we gisting on? We are gisting about costs, saving costs in diaspora. Is it only in diaspora? Saving costs generally. But I'll be telling you things that happens here in diaspora, especially right here in Germany. So let me just begin. No, this is Eva Mom Gist TV. Please guys, before I start gisting you, do you hear the name of my channel? Eva Mom Gist TV. So here we gist. If you don't know about Eva Mom, I can gist for Africa. I can gist for Europeans. I can gist. So you're highly welcome to this episode, Saving Costs in this our gisting time. I just call this firewood you are seeing here Nko. That is my language, Igbo. So why I'm showing heater. So now heater be that. Now heater you see so. So guys, that is heater you're just seeing there. And what you ask, what connection has the firewood with heater? Very good questions, if you may ask. Yes, I'll put you through with that. Bringing in firewood in diaspora, my sister, you go fear. Being in Europe, I think everything in Europe, glass. Not like that, so it not happen like that. Though we enjoy good health, we enjoy good roads, we enjoy medical treatments, a lot of benefits we are enjoying, but not what I was thinking when I was there. Yes. Now, every time you wear cardigan, now I'm wearing long sleeve, but I'm still catching good. My heater is on. You know, you on your heater because since for the past days now, we have been going with cardigan and yake. That is jackets. Yet, we are still in August. But we have started with cardigan. It's not supposed to be so. At least they said August is summer. Right now, it's raining with wind. So, weather, please go. Let the weather not deviate our discussion today. Today, the diaspora gossip. So, what is it gossip or gist? Gist, diaspora gist. So, I brought this firewood to show you that people in diaspora make do with this firewood. Germans are using it. I don't know of Africa, but many Germans are visited. I have a lot of German families. They use this firewood, you know, when they are building their private house, that is their own personal house in Africa. So when they're building their duplex, their mansion, their self-con, their bungalow, they make provision under where they put in this firewood and lighting it. And once this firewood you're seeing here, you're seeing it, is heating. Once this firewood is heating, the ground, the floor of the house will be warm. They call it boarding. So this boarding will be hot. So once you just enter the house, everywhere will be so warm. They call it warm. When you talk of warmness, warm, Germans say it's warm. Everywhere will be so warm. You see, it's not that they can't afford this heat. Every house in Germany, think they have this. All the commercial houses, even they have this in their house too. But they normally off it and make do with this firewood. What are they trying to do? They are saving cost. Then themselves, they are saving cost. So why can't we save cost in Africa? We think in Europe everything is so simple. It's not easy for you. Because if your brothers or your sisters that you sent to Europe to help the family out, they are not finding it easy at all. You understand? So when they light up this, everywhere is warm. They off this. Because here you pay a lot of bills. Pay. You pay for your house rent. You pay for lights. Bill separate. The light bill and the oven comes together. Everything lights. But this heater, the bill is separate. It doesn't go with light. No way. So your heater bill comes separate. So when you don't regulate it, maybe you want to enjoy heater the way the code is, busy, gingering outside, blowing. You just put your head outside and say, no. You on it out. That is how your bill is coming. House here, we set it dry. That is 3. All coming in from outside, the house is already warm. You don't put it in highest, you don't put it in lowest, because lowest has no meaning. You are running away from cold outside to enter the house, and the house is not warm. Tell me. A lot of people off theirs because they want to save money. Because of too much problem they are just getting from Africa. And they are here, denying themselves a lot of happiness. to make you guys smile. That is sacrifice. And how does that sacrifice come into existence? Because he's saving cost. And yet you don't appreciate it. He says this a token. He says this little money. And the funny parts, let me just come. I will still talk on that. But let me just come and talk on this one. Maybe you ever had someone that your brother bought a house in Europe. When you are complaining, you will like, a home my brother, a home my sister that owns a house in Europe. Na small pikin, na small person. You know what the person go don't do before you get money buy a house. Let me say the person don't arrive. Who arrive? Mortgage from the bank. He used to, pay off the landlord to own the house. And every month, the bank is taking it out from his konto. Konto is accounts. So account in dot is called konto. Konto. So they are taking the get out from his konto. So when you are buying a house, mortgage, you're giving your bank details. And you must be working. They will know the kind of hours you work before you be able to get that loan from the bank. As in bank paying the owner of the house, then you begin to pay them with interest. Our Nigerian bank, I don't think, can we do that? Before you finish paying, you must bring collateral. Your collateral is your bank account. Before your salary lands, as long as I said before, as your salary is being paid into that account, bank are taking your agreement with them. The amount you agree with them, they will take it. And before they take it, they will always calculate, okay, you have a family. You people are supposed to be eating so amount in a month. They put that one in consideration, what you eat. Okay? For those that ever love food, even though they love food, you still love food. Inside the kitchen, we'll talk about the food issue. But the food matter is not for here. Here we are just gisting normal life of Europe. We'll still go over to the kitchen. I will show you what I have in there. Then I'll start with people that said evermore I love food. So guys, let me not just deviate from what we are saying. Bank will calculate that, put it in consideration. They will check if you have a car, what it takes to maintain a car monthly. They will put in your diesel, your fuel, ahead. They put it in consideration. You don't have a car. They calculate, okay, you need bus ticket every month to go to work. They put it in consideration. You pay your light bills, your dustbin bills, your house rent. All these things, they put it in consideration first before they will be able to know what you can be able to pay in a month. Nobody calculated the money you are supposed to give to your people in Africa before they begin to do that. Tell me, all those money has been budgeted. There is no budget for you guys in Africa. Then, and he has to, help out, maintain his promise or her promise to you guys. He began, or she, your brother or your sister, whoever, begin to, cut some costs in order to have something, to reach you guys. That is sacrifice. And you don't appreciate that. You'll be counting on he has house he has not even started enjoying. He's using his sweat to pay. At times it will take 10, 20 years to pay off that mortgage. Some 50 years. So how old is your brother? How old is your sister? How old was he or she when he bought that house? At a certain stage when he stopped working, that is renting, your retirement age, you must stop. And you have not finished paying the mortgage you are owing the bank. If you don't pay finish, they will take the house. So it's no longer yet your brother's house. He's still paying for the mortgage. If he violates that agreement, they will take that house away from him or her. At times when they stop, the children begin to, helping where the daddy, or then the person must have, have a family. The children come in to help out, to begin to pay. So don't assume when you overheard, or maybe you heard someone owns a house in Europe, you begin to calculate the how. I can't see an ekume. I can't see ode ekume ya in Europe. Read the meaning of my Igbo on the screen. Can you see that? Yes. If he doesn't have a fat account, how can he be able to, buy a house? So I've explained to you how he bought that house. You are keeping enmity, or you have been bearing grudges for him or her because he's not sending the amount you feel he or she's supposed to be sending. You begin to cut costs for them by doing things. Invest your time. Do a lot of things to get. There are things you do to get money. Don't just depend on your brothers or your sisters here in diaspora. That is what we see here in diaspora. We save cost a lot. Okay, if that's your brother or your sister have kids, these are our kids. They know all the markers. Marker jagger, marker clothes, marker shoes. And they are free when they feel, okay, I want to go and get donut, I want to eat pizza. Can I have some money to go? You give them money. They are growing. For those of us that have, growing up kids, you do things to make them happy, let them feel among and let them be happy and have that self-confidence in them. Not because we are saving costs, we deny the kids what their own enjoyment because of people in theirs, because of our people back home. Yet, a lot of people do that, but they are not being appreciated by their people there. Your children are not happy with you because you are not giving them their happiness. Your people back home, you have been suffering those kids to make them happy. They are not happy with you. Why not face one side? Give them what pleases you, that you'll be able to give out. And the kids that are here that have those cards, make them happy too. I do my best. Like I told you, this I'm about to show you in the kitchen. My son did it, but immediately I show up my camera, he said, no, I respected him. I stopped. I can't bring in that. The little I just video, I deleted it. That is giving me his own respect. He don't like coming to the camera. You will be, if it's enough, you speak, it's coming, shut up. You must stay, come and see, I'm saying this. When I was a child, my auntie, I said, I don't like, I don't like onions then. Especially when I see it in a food. I won't eat that food. Before I use hand to remove it, I won't be able to eat it again. One of my auntie that came visited then said, shut up your mouth. Who are you to say you don't like this? You don't have to open your mouth to say that word until you grow up to become a lady or a woman of your own, that I will be able to use that word. Or because I said I don't like this. She nearly slapped me for using that word in my own parents' house. Somebody can go, don't use that word. Have you ever worked out 1 naira before in your life for you to say you don't like it? Collecting. But now I get to understand, even if they are giving you, you have a choice. So not because somebody is giving you something, the person wants you to take some rubbish, you say you don't have a choice because you are taking. You should have a choice. So that is all about that. So this issue of firewood, led us to this topic. That a lot of things, if it's in Africa, when you are using it, they see you as a poor person. This time, they don't even see money chop. This one, a firewood issue. Na firewood time. Who told you? There are a lot of things you do to save cost. You must not be extravagant and be lavishing money all because you want to show off. There are things you call to save cost. That does not mean you are poor. That does not mean that you are rich. A lot of all these Germans that are doing this, they give out a lot of money to orphanage homes. They don't even know. Send them to Africa. They save costs to help out. If they want to enjoy it, they can do everything because nobody is calling them from home to come and give them money. No, mommy is calling them to. Everything is stabilized and settled. If they can save costs, why can't we save costs? I think I've not been ranting. Please, let me not forget to join the family if you have not joined Eversweet Families. Okay, please, this is the way you will support my channel. Become a member in my channel. Please, this is how you support my channel. Okay, you can join the Everlights, you can join the Everstars, you can join the Evergold, and you can still become the Ever Diamonds. I have a lot of families to join. Here we do a lot of things. In Everstars, in Everlights, during live streams, there are some questions that we won't be able to answer because of time factors and so on. We can answer it there. Or there are questions you feel like asking or bringing in to the house. Feel free to write it in this group. We'll answer you. And there, you want to start up your YouTube channel, there you can also come in there. Yes, a lot of things we give support in that Everlights. Then Everstars, you have your privilege, you have a lot of things we do that will support you, build your channel up, show you how to get your subscribers and so on. And for people that are not YouTubers, please join the family. The family is not only for the YouTubers. You in there, you get to see a lot of things. Just feel free to tell us what you feel like seeing the videos before others see it. Again, we will do that. If you have any suggestion for the channel, then there we can talk like other. Please, my subscribers, don't take it too personal. Don't take it personal. All these are for fun. So please, this is how it is in every family. There are a lot of things we do. And what we do in Everlights, people in Everstars still have privilege to that. They still have it. The same applies to Evergold. The Everstars and Everlights enjoy. You as well enjoy that and have extra. And that comes to the Ever Diamonds. They enjoy every packages in all these families, and still they have their own as the diamonds of the channel. So guys, we have not come to the end. Let's go over to the kitchen before we come to the end of the program. Let's go and see what we got. So, welcome back. This is Eva Mom's Kitchen also. So this actually brought us here in the kitchen. Like I told you, there are a lot of things we do here in diaspora, especially, let me just to be precise, here in Europe. In Africa, before I show you guys, let me just finish before I'm able to show you what I just got. See, and when I was growing up, I don't know that people can actually cook with charcoal, or maybe people can cook. All I knew was it's only people that are selling all this buka food. You know what I mean by buka food? Mama puts. People call it mama puts. That is actually people selling food by the roadside or have a restaurant, or they normally cook with this the firewood. And actually people also cook with charcoal. I'm coming, let me get charcoal first. So actually people cook with charcoal, but not really here in Western world. I've not seen, I mean in Africa. But I bought this charcoal for this grilling. So I bought, let me just leave this charcoal. I'm coming, I'm going to open and show you what I meant. So I bought this. This helps, instead of using my oven, okay? Maybe I don't think if the camera got it. instead of using my oven in Europe, everything is bill. Everything in diaspora is bill. And at times for us to save cost as in bill, in heater, because you use heater is geared, that is money. You roast is still geared, it's costed geared, that is, it also costs money. So, but there are a lot of things we do, you know, so that we don't have excess bill. When you get excess bill, my sister, your sleep will just vex from your eyes, and you have sleepless nights. It will just go off from your eyes. So, although I have this, but that one is no longer my soul. So I got this one really. The kids were saying, "Oh, Mama, you bought new one." So we are trying. So we were trying to fix it out. You know, I have my engineer by me, but he doesn't like to face camera. That's my son. I'm coming. So he tried to, you know, do it that yesterday. So he has fixed some. So no, this one, no, Evermom, there are things I know, there are things I don't really know. Maybe a lot of you can do it. So see, this is it. That is the grill. He fixed the standing. Can you see it? So he fixed it yesterday. That is this grill you are seeing here. This is it. Take a look at it. This is how it is. This safe cut, especially in summer or when the weather is okay to go outside to do some grills. So you can grill. I'm going to launch this by grilling some Africanish, that is African, let me not just say it. If you feel like you have anything you feel I can launch with this, feel free to write me on the comment Instagram account, EverMomGist TV also. That's my Instagram account. So you can actually say, Evermom, we want you to do this video, or we want you to grade this. Then I can actually do that and post it or eat it after grading. I can do it on my mukbang. Okay, I do mukbang also. So this is it. It's not safe. So with this, at least my oven can rest a bit. So when the weather is not good, I do with the oven. But when the weather is so bad, I have my garden. We go outside and grill. So this now, whenever you are living in a house or a private house, like you call it duplex or your bungalow, whatever. So you can actually do with this, just to put your charcoal inside, lighting up the way they do now. You know, when we are small, if you go to buy this bean cake akara, I love that so much. It's like I'm going to fry this night. This evening, not in the night, in the evening, yes. So I'll eat it with bread. So when I fry it, I'll open the bread. I'm going to buy unsliced bread. I'll go to African shop and get it. Put it inside and fold it together. Oh, I'm missing that a lot. Maybe I'll still anyway, since I'm able to do that here. So I'm not lacking. So you see it. You know, there are a lot of things we do in Africa we are just overlooking. Even in Nigeria, at least, I'm sure a lot of people have this. Use it to roast corn, or maybe I'm going to roast corn with it. Yes, I'll get fresh corn. Anyway, let me just keep it. It's a secret. Feel free to write me anyone you want me to do for us to launch this. Just tell me. Write it on the comment section. I'll be there writing your comments. Okay, God bless you. So when you put your charcoal, let me open the charcoal. I'm just here talking. So maybe you'll be saying it. Should I keep it here? No. Don't mind Evermom. And it can't even stand here. Can it stand here also? I think, guys, yeah. But no, this actually goes to the keller or in my garden store. My garden has a small house just for the garden equipment, for your machine, you know, cutting your gardens, everything. So I can actually keep it there. So that is all about this. So when you live in a house, you get it. At least by the time I use it to grill, I have saved some cost. Like this one, I bought it, this charcoal, I bought it 3 row, 20 cents or 2, I can't remember, but it's not more than €3.50. It's not more than that, though it's kind, but I bought it during the sales. Angie Boots is like, yes. So this thing is charcoal. Let me just open it so that you can understand what I meant by that. So all these things are European life. There are things, you know, a lot of people in Africa don't believe that we do that here in Europe. Honestly, we do that. We roast corn. Yes, we can say that, but I know we are missing a lot of African something. Let me just open it and show you guys. Just trying to. Oh! Sorry. Yes, the kids are not here to help me out. No, I don't want to open it that way. I think when I cut the rope, I think you guys are seeing it. I don't want to cut it. I want to open the rope very well. So the way you are seeing it, just the way they used to seal rice too, that's the way they. I don't want to cut it. Yes, I'm done. Yeah. So I don't want to open it. Can you see this? Let me put hand. Yeah. Can you see the charcoal? This is what is inside. Let me open it very well. Maybe a lot of you like. See my hand. Can you see that? Charcoal. So when I was small, I was a kid. Now I'm a mommy. I'm a mom. So if you go to buy akara, that is a bean cake. It's people that trying all this bean cake that normally use it. Don't buy bean cake to drink pap. Akara and akamo, that is bean cake with a pap. That's eating akara with pap. So akara, guys, this is how charcoal in Europe look like. Can you see that? It's like it's thick. Let me see if I can bring out like 1, 2. I wash my hand. See it. This is European charcoal. So it's not like our own is somehow corner. Can you see that? When you put it, so like this, we'll be able to put them right, full it here. So when I pack all of them inside here, then I'll be able to do my grill. Look at my hands. This is charcoal. So actually in Europe, we do see this charcoal. Okay, so this charcoal is also everywhere. And I've shown you, I've told you that a lot of here in Germany. So let me just say, I just showed you guys that I got this new grill. I got this new round grill. They wrote it round grill. That is round grill, okay? For grilling. Then I got some charcoal too. Here in Dutch. So that is it. Barbecue charcoal. Can you see? They even wrote it in English, not in Dutch. Say barbecue charcoal. Can you see that? Barbecue charcoal. Can you see? They even wrote it in English. Barbecue charcoal. Can you see that? So this is charcoal. So I need to wash up my hands. So that is all about guys. I know. Yes, let me wash up the charcoal. See that? Okay, thing is off. Okay, so so that is all about this. We save costs here in Europe. Everything you pay for it, like to pay for it. So during summer or during springs, that is primavera, we are always in Dutch, German call it Frühlings. You know, Frühlings, the weather, sometimes it will be so cold, sometimes it will not all that cold, you know, springs, yes. So, especially in summer when the weather is hot, you go to the garden, you grill, you save costs, and the heater, most heaters are off at this time. At least during summer, you don't pay much bills on heater. So, maybe some go with AC, under how many we don't have not used. Because here, I have not even used AC here in Europe because I see the weather as normal weather. Even every night, I still sleep with jacket, as in my blankets to cover up. I don't sleep with that. So I don't need that here in Europe. But in Africa, I stay car to house, all those things. You need AC because the weather is really hot. Then, with this, I will save cost. So everything we pay here. So not some people, when you see people using charcoal, it seems as if they don't have money to get gas or get kerosene like that. No, though in Europe, you have not seen anybody, cooking with firewood, except this. The education part of this video is to let you know that even if you're in Africa, you can save your cars, you can save kerosene. When they say there is scarcity of kerosene, there is scarcity of gas, and people are like mixing things together to sell to people. You keep seeing maybe there is fire outbreak resulting from mixture of fuel with, a lot of all those mixtures, concord mixtures. We call it concord mixtures. It's not funny, guys. So a lot of you like, what is concord mixture? Mixture of things that are not supposed to come together. People mix it together, all because of money. Then please, when it comes to that, do with your brain. They have a lot of things like this in Africa, especially my country, Nigeria. They have things like this. So even building like stove or gas, you can put in your charcoal and begin to cook. Until those scenarios or those era of scarcity of gas or kerosene is over. So for you to save your family, do with this. At least most of us in Africa, you have your own house. Except you cannot be living in somebody's house and be using charcoal to cook under a building. You want to turn the whole house to blackout house. A lot of you will live in a house, you can never even think of repenting it, all because you're not a landlord. You're just dealing with you. You're just, taking your happiness away. Landlord is not staying there with you. You are the one staying in that house. So whatever you do, paint your house and let it be good. And you cannot just take this charcoal and be burning it inside somebody's house and the smoke will be going up. Go outside, make a place outside. If it's raining, take something like zinc to cover it up and be cooking to save your family's life and save your own life. So this is it. Get this grill round, yes, and begin to grill. So that is European life for you. So we do with charcoal too. Not that some of you like, people in Europe, they don't know what charcoal is. It's a lie. It's a typical lie. So we do with charcoal, but not cooking. It's just for grill. So I don't know if the white people, they cook with charcoal, but I have not seen. The only thing I have seen all my years in Western world is grilling. They use it. Anything that is grillable, I'm going to be grilling it here. Yes. So I will keep them right. I just want to, that's what I say. So here they did it. So, but the only thing I didn't get the camera where he was putting it. So that is all about this. So my own advice to people like, let's try to save cost. There are things you do. Try to save cost, especially when it comes to gas, when it comes to kerosene. You can save cost. Don't say if you're in Europe, you don't do it. Europe will save cost too. If you don't do that, I don't think your brothers or your sister will be able to, have some reserve to, send to you. So this is how they cut cost in order to see something to, take care of their families that is in Africa. So if they begin to live luxurious life or begin to, not giving any second thought on how to cut or save cost, it becomes a problem. Because when you are paying like 89 euro only for your lights and your gas, your heater is not included. Only lights and your heater is different. Your bill for heater comes separate. The one for lights comes separate. So when you're paying 89 euro only for lights and your gas, we don't use gas, we use a hot plate here in Germany. As you have seen me cooking. I think I can turn the camera so that you can see that. Can you see it? I don't know. We use that hot plate in Germany. Yes. You use it as, so when, okay, you're supposed to pay 89 euros. You know how much it is every month in Nigeria. And they add it, they bring extra bill for like 116 euros. You know how much extra that costed, and it's money. So when you keep paying like this, I don't think you'll be able to, you know, help out your people there. So things are not so easy in Western world. Things are always save cost. So now I got this. When I'm using this, at least I'm saving my oven from light bill. At least my light bill will not come excess. To just come normal, or maybe even if it's sweet, just a little. So it will come a bit. When the kids are going to school, bills normally come about. Whenever they are on vacation, or whenever there is like the era we were in, the bills comes higher, because if they are not toasting bread, yes, that is it. If they are not toasting bread in toaster, they are trying to do one spiegel eye or what? Yes. Maybe before you go, what I do, I want to eat spiegel eye. You see them doing it and be eating it, or you see them doing pancake or doing things that they do. Yes, they help out. They do it and eat at least some part. You'll be free from that. When you train children how to make do with, you know, the hot plate, let me just call it gas. A lot of you call it, but we don't use gas here. We use the hot plate. That's what we use here in Germany. So they do it and they eat. So, but when I'm using this to grill food, I'm saving cost by doing so. So you can actually save cost to get something like this and keep it at home. When you have when you're on leave, you can do that. Practice it with the kids. The kids love it when they see those things they see outside people sell, and they see you as a mama in the house doing it right in their house. They are always happy. They feel joy. So try to get anything to save cost. So in diaspora, we do save a lot of cost. So we cut a lot of things for us not to. Who will you go to? Your mama is not here. For most of us, our mommy are not here. They are there. And most of them depends on us here. So what do you do when you don't save cost? You want to do like a white, what do you do? So get a road grill for you to start grilling. So let me keep it there. We'll remove it after this. So guys, this is all about grilling up stuff, all the things. So please guys, I'm still, you know, asking you guys, asking for your support. Please join my membership. Don't forget, join my membership. I have Everlight, I have Ever Stars, I have Ever Gold and Ever Diamonds. Okay, please join the Ever Sweets families. Please join my Ever Sweets family. Okay, here in Ever Mom Gist. God bless you as you bless you for giving me your time. God bless you super good for stopping by just to give the video thumbs up or to listen what a sister have to do. Please save cost by doing a lot of things to cut things up. That is the only thing I have to leave for you as for today's episode. So I have to save cost in diaspora, everywhere. Have to save cost. Not only in diaspora, even in Africa, save cost. It's very important. Even if you think you don't save, I mean, a lot of people need it. They actually need it. So you can actually help out. So thank you for watching. Thank you for stopping by. God bless you for visiting this channel. Please guys, if today is your first time of coming across this channel, or you're just waka the pass, please don't forget to click on that red subscribe button and subscribe to become a part of this family. And don't forget, please support this channel, watch the videos, give it a thumbs up, and support this channel to grow and join my membership. See you next week during Evermom Gist time every Wednesday, 7:15 p.m. Sorry guys, the last video I said 7 p.m. Please, a lot of people wrote to me that it's 7 p.m. Let's just shift it a bit. I told them at least 7:15 p.m. European time. That is UK time. It should be 6:15 p.m. So it just within 40 to 40 something minutes, and it's not up to this program. It's just from 0 to 40 something minutes. It will not be anything less than that. So I can't even take it up to 15. So I try as much as possible to cut the video not be up to, such, not to be so long. So God bless you as you plan or you warm up to join the family. See you next week Wednesday during my Evermom Gist time. So guys, finally we have come to the end of this. God bless you for giving me your time. God bless you for stopping by. God bless you so much for that thumbs up. God bless you good. See you next week during this Evermom Gist TV. Then we'll rant. Bye. Love you guys.